นี่ก็ชื่อtop 4ในក្នុងកម្មវិធី The Rapper Fighter Season 1 ឥឡូវនេះប្រកួតឡើងវិឆា Idol បងប្អូនគ្នាពិតជា surprise ខ្លាំងមែនទែនបងប្អូនបាទអត់ដល់គ្នាបាទ
Hey Hey Yeah ដល់ពេលហើយដល់ពួកយើងត្រូវកោះកាយដល់ពេលវេលាមួយដល់ពួកយើងត្រូវឈូសឆាយជួយគ្រប់គ្នាមើលមកពួកយើងដូចផ្កាយស្គាល់តែយើងខ្លាំងមានកម្លាំងមិនងាយណាពួកយើងបានរៀមមកមានពលិដូចសាន់រ៉ៃពួកយើងបានមកមានចង្ងាយរាប់ម៉ែគេស្គាល់យើងអ្នកចំបានចាន style ពួកយើងគឺជាពួកយើង no more no side
អូជាតិខ្លាំងណាស់
នាំឆេប្រាប់បរិបទព្រោះតែលេងជាកូនក្មេង inventor លើ playing up red up ឈប់តែទូកំសត់ឈប់ស្បន់ស្រីព្រោះឥឡូវមិនដូចពីមុនទេได้กันไม่ให้เชียงจอนสเตย์ลิซเลงโฮยโดยเฉพาะระยงเชยในวัดตะมีดผู้เยอะกันเธอโยนโนนสายผู้ยังคือชินแนจำบังแต่ผู้ยังคลั่งมาแนมาบายคลั่งมาแนมาบายไทยมือกับโนสิกรมีมาแทบแอนซิคอมไม่ไอดอลฟูลคอมฟิเดนซ์ซิคอมไม่ไอดอล I will treat you right alright with idol สมได้สมได้เปลี่ยนเฮียนตั้งปีเขมรพลอตสมองได้แต่แค่ยกเป็นโดนตะเลงเป็นนิสัยช่วยตามช้ำตามก็ได้ตามมาเราจำนวนนี่คือแต่จงอ่อนจงส่วนจองตรองตามจงได้เตะสองตาจ่าโอนเป็นนิสัยชีวิตเอลFeel that ได้แต่ว่าเซกับเลยมาแชร์ที่ได้กรอนแต่จริงเป็นว่าสัญญาในกองวงการเลยทั้งนุ่มให้วงการเลยทั้งเบย์ต่อไปให้แต่ผู้ยังเตยชูใช้ต่อไปเปลี่ยนมัวแต่ผู้ยังเตยก็หายถ้วยกรบเคลียร์มือมาผู้ยังโดยไกลสกอตแต่ยังคลั่งมีกองแรงมันนี่ดาผู้ยังบานเรียมอมีบอลลูนด้วยซันไรผู้ยังบานฮอชแค่ตัวมีจงไงรบแค่โดนไทยดอนในจังบานชาสไตล์ผู้ยังคือจะผู้ยังโนมัวโนไซ
โอ้แรงโก้ไอดอลจบไอดอล
ก็มีประเด็นไม่ต้องเนจีทาแรงโกชิโกมาเวียมันได้เจสไอรู้จะแปรปีแล้วมันได้แหลกจอลกันมันได้นักควอลเป็นสมได้เบียนเลยเป็นยมคลังยมตันยมวอมยมคลังยมตันยมรอมาแต่เป็นไงจันยมมันยมซ้อมกินมืองี้เป๊ปชียมตรอมกินมืองี้เป๊ปชียมตรอมฟลิกมาฟลูด้วยสมเลงซันเดอร์พวกเดือดเกิดที่สมเลงกะไว้เลิกไอดอลมือก็ป้องล่างเลยเขาเป็นดันแรปเปอร์เลิกพบดนตรี
Came from the mud to the city Came from the nerd till they know that E-M-I-I-M-E-Me Show me some love, show me some money ក្មេងនៅតែក្នុងសាលាមានមហិច្ឆតាចែប្រាគួរក្បាលខ្លាចជា superstar អង្គុយកាន់ពេជ្រសភៅហាត់តែប្រេងកាឡាផ្លែកអីឥឡូវធំក្លិនតែលុយដុល្លារបើគិតពីអតីតកាល None of you know me បើអត់មានសេកាបើអត់មានសេលីបើអត់មានវ៉ែនតាអាណាគេអ៊ីមីបើមានក្រាស់លើក្បាលអានឹងព្រាននារី
វីអូយលយ
យកជាផ្ទះទី2លេងពីតាម melody ចាក់ចូលទៅជាតាម MP3 flow ហូចចេញចូលប្រម៉ូយកម៉ានីជឿជាក់ជាងមុនគុណនឹងពី idol នៅក្នុងដៃ
អ្នកស្វាយតែម្ដង idol
យេគឺទីក្មេងនេះលេង flow សម្លេងជាក្រុមបាយគេហៅថាប៉ាម៉ាណូ flow ញ៉ាយម៉ាត់ឯនេះឌូឲ្យឲ្យអ្នកកាំងដល់មក flow ឲ្យ kill this shit I play it មាន song I wanna kill this bitch ឲ្យស្រ័យបាយបែកគួរឲ្យដល់តែឡើងសលេងនឹង mixer ផឹកយក comedy នឹង power confident គឺជាភ្លើងមួយដែលខ្ញុំតែងយកប្រើប្រៀបដូចជាភ្លើងមួយនៅ
Rapper Fighter វគ្គ1 Season 1បងប្អូន
right now ខ្ញុំគឺជាគិតតពីសម្ដីនឹងតន្ត្រីដល់ពេលដែលខ្ញុំត្រូវ fight វាយបំបីភាអតីតកាលចង់ right I'm on top right now ខ្ញុំគឺជាគិតតពីសម្ដីនឹងតន្ត្រីខ្ញុំប្រើពីសម្ដែងវាយនៅលើតន្ត្រីខ្ញុំប្រើពីដែលថ្មីនៅក្នុងចំនួន CV ឡៃខ្ញុំប្រើស្គីទី1វាយនៅចុងគ្រាបញ្ចប់ស្គីទី4រះដែលគ្របបានតែហ៊ានអ្នកនឹងស្វ័យដល់ពេលហើយដល់ពួកយើងត្រូវកោះកាយដល់ពេលវេលាមួយដល់ពួកយើងត្រូវឈូសឆាយធ្វើគ្រប់គ្នាមើលមកពួកយើងដូចផ្កាយគេស្គាល់តែយើងខ្លាំងមិនកុំឡើងមិនងាយដែរស្គាល់តែយើងមកមានពលិដូចសាន់រ៉ៃពួកយើងបានហោះឆ្ងាយទៅមានជំរឿយរាប់ម៉ែគេហៅយើង idol អ្នកចំបាំងចាន style ពួកយើងគឺជាពួកយើង no more no side
លយខប់សារីតែម្ដងបាទអ្នកដែលឆ្លាញ់ចិត្ត hip hop ដូចខ្ញុំស្ដាប់ទៀតស្ដាប់រហូតដល់មានអារម្មណ៍ថាវ៉ាវអស្ចារ្យខ្លាំងមែន
អីសូមសំឡេងឲ្យ idol ម្នាក់មួយមក